Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. We've spent the past week talking about and practicing regrouping in two-digit addition. I'd like us to review one last time with our word problem challenge from yesterday. So this is what I gave you yesterday. Let me read it again. It says, Isabella had 36 Barbie dolls. She received 18 more Barbies for her birthday. How many Barbies does Isabella have now? So remember, what's the first thing we need to do when we are going to solve a word problem? Yeah, we need to underline the information we need to know and the information we want to know. The information we need to know is usually numbers, things like that. That'll help us decide if it's addition or subtraction. And what we want to know is our question. So let's look at this. Isabella had 36 Barbie dolls. She received 18 more Barbies for her birthday. Okay. And now our question, what we want to know, how many Barbies does Isabella have now? So she had 36 Barbie dolls. She received 18 more for her birthday. Now I want to know how many she has now. Am I going to be adding or subtracting? Yeah, I'm going to be adding because I have 36, but then I get 18 more. So now how many do I have? I want to know my total. So my addition equation is going to be 36 plus 18 equals And of course, because we need a written response to a word problem, I'm going to say Isabella has Barbies. Boom. I've already set up our place value picture chart. At the top, I have 3 tens and 6 ones. What number is 3 tens and 6 ones? Yeah, 36 is 3 tens and 6 ones. And on the bottom, I have 1 10 and 8 ones. What number is 1 10 and 8 ones? Yeah, that's 18. So I have 36 and 18. Let me put that in my vertical setup. 36 plus 18. And remind me, am I adding the tens or the ones together first? The ones. Okay, great. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 ones. What are we noticing? Yeah, we're noticing I have more than 10 ones. So what do I need to do? That's right. I need to take 10 of them and make them into 110. I need to regroup. So let's count up 10 ones that I can regroup. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I'm going to circle those 10. And I'm going to regroup them by moving them to the tens place and making them a new 10. Whoop. There we go. So how many ones does that mean I have left over? Yeah, I have 4 ones left over, plus that new 10 I made out of those 10 ones. That new 10 I regrouped. I need to show that I made that new 10 by putting a 1 up top on the 10 side. So I had the 3 tens and the 1 10 I was originally going to add together, plus this new 10. Let's add them all up. Can you do that for me and tell me how many 10s I have? I have 4 10s. 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, all done? Oh, okay. I need to add this other 10 I regrouped in, right? So how many 10s do I really have? I have 5. I have 5 10s and 4 ones, which means 36 plus 18 equals what? Yeah, it equals 54. 36 plus 18 equals 54. Isabella has 54 Barbies. That's a lot of Barbies. But you know what? You girls have done so well this week. I know next week we're going to start subtraction and you're going to do amazing with it. I am very proud of you. Keep working hard. I hope you have a lovely weekend.